All right, so when we drew in the main storm run, which was this one here, we added this pipe to that same run. The problem with that is that we won't be able to apply a trench template to it because the trench has to follow a constant run, and it wouldn't know how to do this trench. So we have to put this trench in differently or separately than this one. Same thing goes for over here. We would have to separate these out. I made this all one run, which is fine because I'm not really going to do the takeoff on the earthwork or dirt for this. I'm just, it is what it is. I'm going to dig the trench and we're going to move. But if you want to use the trench template and get the trench surface and material, what you have to do is make them separate runs. They can all be in the same network, but you're going to make them separate runs. And that's what you're seeing here with this little exclamation point. Okay. So I'll show you how to fix this or how to do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new run, and it's going to be in the same network, and I'm going to call this storm. We'll call it storm lat or storm run lat, right? Because the other one is storm run, so we'll call it storm run, basically lateral. Okay. Layer's fine. We'll do the material, and we'll go ahead and put 0 as a starting station. I'm going to click apply. So now we have that other run. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this pipe. Let me close this. I'm going to take this pipe and I am going to go to the properties and I'm going to put that into that lateral run. Now when I do that and I go back to the Project Explorer, you'll notice that that exclamation point is gone now. So now this is just this run, and then this series of pipes is this run here. So now I can go ahead and do the trench template, but I wanted to show you how to fix that. Now you would have to do the same thing here if you wanted to trench this for the roof drain. What I would end up doing is creating another utility run. We'll call this roof drain main. Okay, so this would be the main run. And we'll do the material here, 0, and apply. And then what we would do is take this pipe, this pipe, this pipe, this pipe, and this pipe. We could do this as one whole run, but I'll use those. And I'm just going to go to properties, and I'm going to put that into roof drain main. And when I come back over here, you'll see roof drain main is good. The roof drain is not. So what I could do is make this another run, this another run, this another run, this another run. But we know that, once we subgrade this, we're just going to trench this in and drop this in. So maybe I don't need to calculate that. But if I did, then I would go ahead through that workflow and that process to make those individual runs. All right. So what we'll show next is how to create the trench template and insert a trench and create a trench surface.